Hi, I'm Ivan. In this video, I will share how to make a 3D text typography like holes. Of course, we will be creating this text effect in Inkscape. To create this text effect, my notebook had to process it. So it is likely that if it is applied to a notebook with low specification, it will be difficult. Okay, let's open Inkscape. Here I create a rectangle um, with the size for width and height. Here I type 2000 pixel, and then here um, I give a navy color like this. Okay, and then here I create text object. Here I create a base for font. We choose Montserrat. For font weight, choose heavy. Okay, give a yellow color like this. Here I use a material color palette, and for width, click the icon key, and for width, here I type 1500 pixel. Okay, enable snapping and drag like this, duplicate and rotate selection clockwise. 90-degree clockwise. Duplicate, rotate, drag like this until snapping. Duplicate, rotate, and you can move until snapping. Okay, and then you can drag rectangle object. Select the text, path to object to path, ungroup, click path, union. Okay, duplicate this text, and resize 400 pixel for width. Make center, and then here we use a navy color. We with a dropper tool, click text with navy color, open transform, click rotate. For the angle, here I type 45 and click apply. Okay, and select two objects. I mean the two text. Click objects, group. Here I resize 4000 like this. Okay, and then here I ungroup. Okay, click this object with shift, press shift and press shift key with sorry, click this object with press shift key and click this object, and then interpolate for exponent here 0, interpolation steps 280, interpolation method is 2, and click interpolate style and click left preview. Okay, and then here I click apply and close, and then click this interpolate object, click lower selection to bottom, and then here I delete this object. Okay, you can delete. Okay, and then for this object okay, you can give a yellow color, yellow 500. Okay, yeah, I select area select in this area and objects, group, and then you can scale. Here I type 1200, and width. Okay, and then you can move this rectangle, make center with align and distribute. Here I scale the rectangle. mm, Sorry, yeah, make center 4000 with 2600. Okay, in the steps we have completed this 3D effect, 3D text effect. Okay, I think that's enough for this short tutorial. Sorry if I'm wrong in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.